In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Telegram channel link and then copy it and share. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go to your Telegram account, and then from the account you can see your channel. For instance, I have this AI channel that I want to find and copy the channel link. To find the link, just tap on the channel and then you'll see the link is here. As you can see, the link begins with the t.me and then followed by your preferred or your unique identifier, and for this case mine is Matters AI. To copy this link, just tap on it and then it will open an option for us to copy here. So to get it, just go ahead and tap on copy and the link has been copied. From here you can go ahead and share your link with anyone. So that's how you find your channel link on Telegram. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.